All right, hello, welcome to chapter 2 of the turtle unit. So I'm gonna, suppose that you've already seen chapter 1 where we actually made the unit. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to make more from a single unit and also how to put them together. Well, no, I won't show you how to put them together. Let's put that in another video. Let's make each video about a single thing. All right, so how do we make more? Well, all rectangles have this property. Let's open this up. All rectangles have a property in which if you divide the same amount of times on the vertical line than the horizontal line, then the ratio of the rectangle will be respected. The rectangle will be similar. So, given that we already have this thing folded in half, if I fold it in half now on the other side, not on the other side, rather on the other orientation of the thing, then that means, let me just fold it both ways, and both mountain and valley on the same fold. Alright, so, no fancy work here, just maneuvering. So that means that this rectangle right here, so if I did, half here and then half there, this rectangle has the same ratio as the full rectangle. And that's exhibited by, you can see how there's the equilateral triangle, right, inside of the rectangle. And if I do this once more, you're going to see that the triangle is here also. So, same ratio, same rectangle. Therefore, we can make this rectangle, we can cut it off. So what I like to do for cutting, same thing we did before. We simply fold both ways and then we do a rip and we guide the rip down. There we go. Alright, so there's two. Three and four. My reading on the mic was that went over, so anyway, but that's how you would get more of these. So just to make this example just be way more clear, let's make them even smaller because, well, see, I'll use these to make an example of joining them. I'll use this as an example for just making smaller. I guess I can also do that example here. Now, of course, these have to fit together. I'm actually going to take back what I said about... No, I'm not going to take it back. We're going to do them, no matter what the chapter length is, we're going to do them step by step. So I'm going to just do a turtle unit on this size, and I'm going to do a turtle unit on the smaller size, and then that'll be it for this chapter. And in the next chapter, I will show you how to put them together. Yeah, we have to abide by the rules. Besides, I think it's better if the videos aren't that long. You can also interpret the unit as simply folding that this way and that this way. Notice that the vertice is falling on the midline. Alright, so it's almost as if, in this case, I'm going bottom right, up, and top left, down. You see? Now we do the little Sonobi trick. Boom, boom. And now we just apply this mountain here. Right? Let's just apply that mountain there. And these two go inside. This fold goes all the way and then it just falls on top. Now I saw Maria Luna Estrella, shout out, that she actually put them together like this, which I thought was interesting because that's not how I do it. Usually I fold them the other way. I fold them this way so that this side is just closed. So I thought that was interesting. It also means that I have to do a Spanish version for this. make one smaller here. I'm gonna take this trick I just showed you to my advantage. So in here, I'm already going top left down. And you can even see how it's going to coincide with that fold right there, you see? Like with where the intersection is of this fold and the midline. Yeah, so that happens. So yeah, the camera wants to focus over here, and I don't blame it. So of course, the more you make, the cooler it's going to look. But also sometimes I like to have small pieces and join them. It just looks more handheld, and I find that that also is quite appealing to the general populace, to people. Like if you give them a big thing, they'll be like, whoa, and they'll feel like, maybe they'll feel overwhelmed, maybe they'll feel like, whoa, what do I do with this thing? If you give them a small thing, almost like a jewel, like a little precious stone, like, oh my god, and they'll keep it close to their heart, they may even make jewelry out of it, you know what I'm saying? Like small things have just that sort of feel to them. And so there we go. So as you can see, we're sort of going deeper and deeper into this rabbit hole. Right? Where are the two? Where's the? Oh yeah, I made one of these into these three, into these four. So you see how, you know, things just get smaller and smaller. So that's how you make more units. And now we're going to see how to put them together in the next video. So I'll catch you then.